Let's solve this together. It says a plus b is equal to 4 and ab is equal to 4. We're going to solve for the values or value of a and b respectively in this equation. Okay? Now, first thing we can do here is to call this equation 1 and call this equation 2. So we have from equation 1, we have from 1, a is equal to 4 minus b. Let's now replace a as 4 minus b in equation 2. We have b multiplied by, that's 4 minus b is equal to 4. B times 4 is 4b minus b times b is b squared is equal to 4. We can rewrite this as b squared, this is minus 4b plus 4 to be equal to 0. Factorizing this, we have b squared times 4 is 4b squared. 2 factors of 4b squared that will add up to give us this is negative 2b and negative 2b. So b, we'll now take this minus 2 multiplied by b minus 2 is equal to 0, hence b is equal to 2 or 2 twice, okay, depending. So we'll now put b as 2 in here. So we have that a is equal to 4 minus b, hence our a here will now be equal to 4 minus 2, which is 2. Okay, so these are the answers to this equation. Thanks for watching.
What's going on, guys? It's Fortune here editing this video. As you can see, about 99% of you guys are not subscribed to the channel, so please subscribe, like, comment and share my videos, as this helps to push my videos out to more viewers out there. The more you subscribe, the more viewers can see my videos, the more we grow in this community. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video.